Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can remove an app's icon from the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to your home screen. Now navigate to the home screen that has the app icon that you want to remove. So for example, on this home screen here, I can touch and hold on one of the app icons. Now in here, I can tap on the remove button to remove an app. Now do not tap on uninstall. Uninstall will permanently delete the game from your device. So in this case, we tap on the remove button. That will only remove an app icon from the home screen, but the game is still available on your device. So at any time you like, you can always drag it back onto your home screen. Now you can also select multiple items and then delete them all at once. So for example, I can touch and hold into that and then tap on select, and from here I can select multiple items, and then I can tap on the remove button, and that will allow me to remove multiple items on the screen at once. And some items cannot be removed. So for example, you can see this one here, I can remove it, but I'm sorry, some item cannot be uninstalled. So for example, if you see for this particular item here, it is a pre-built in apps that comes with the phone. So you can only remove them from the home screen, but you won't be able to uninstall it from your device. So for example, this app here, if I drag onto my home screen, this is one of the apps that I have installed. And if I touch and hold it, you can see from the pop menu, there will be a remove button and an uninstall button. So if you want, you can also tap on uninstall, and that will allow you to permanently remove the app from the home screen and uninstall from the device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for my videos.